Hi friends, this is Jim Cooper, Sharp by Cooper Photography. Hey, what I've got here is Joe Caswell's long-awaited and much heralded EDX folder. Check this out. It's got a pocket clip on it, good looking design. Love how these curves don't meet, but they do. It's amazing. Here's how it works. Big thumb stud, clack. Look, disappearing clip. Really good right there. Little hidden lock bar there. Press that down, push it up back. Get your fingers out of the way. Boom. It's done. I've been waiting for this for about 2 years now. I talked to Joe personally. I wish him nothing but the best on this thing. Really good folder. Sturdy. Done. Thanks for watching.